In your traditional business is good. Traditional business is good. If your traditional business is good, chances are people will follow and duplicate your business. So survive in the market, people will just copy the more successful counterpart. For example, online selling is popular now. So you see a lot of online sellers copying this strategy in social media. So we survive in this society because of our own ability to duplicate a more successful strategy. So, however, the competition is very high. So, everyone must try harder to give more effort or become creative. No, more effort, more creativity. So, jobs right now are based on technological advancement. So, more successful businesses right now are using AI technology to have edge in the market competition. So the jobs now have changed drastically because of AI and advancement in technology. You can get a higher degree in post studies to catch up with this. Like a restaurant cleaners are now replaced by AI operated robots like that. So it is not easy to succeed in an international scale. Language, government regulations, laws, and policies makes expansion very hard. It is not easy to do international market in Riway, but here our CEO said, but I'm very lucky. Ted Tan, our regional director, I'm very lucky. I am working in Riway. So he said, where international expansion is possible. It is true because in Riway, once you bought the product, automatically you have a business account, an international business franchise that wherever part of the world you are, you can do business and earn Singapore dollar from 10% to 70%. Example, I am here in the Philippines. I am in Riway International. Of course, I can market in the Philippines in different places I want. I go also to India. In different cities of India, I find business partners, people, Indian people who are ready to start in the stem cell business, okay, portier business, and also in UAE, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Wherever I go, I earn Singapore dollar. If I stay for 18 days, 15 days in those countries, I have leaders. I found people there to franchise and do business in Riway. Automatically, the following day, I earn Singapore dollar. So, right now, we are in 13 countries with over 60 branches, offices, and several headquarters. So once you join Riway, you have immediate access to international business. So Riway will bear the cost in operations, logistics, trainings, market, and promote events. Just recently, in the whole month of February, the leadership training seminar in 2025, the first stop was in Philippines. There are nine countries all over the world, and there are 100,000 people who attended in this. And the company paid all for the venues, for the food, for the whole day. So for me, at the moment, I cannot find a company, a direct selling company, a multi-level company, a company in food supplement who can afford this such expenses in different countries from Asia to Europe right now. So Ted Tan says here, though we have successfully expanded in many countries from east to west to America. Final destination will be China. This is our market expansion potential market. It is very hard to link all these countries together under a way. In these countries where there are problems in product, legality of distribution, Freeway will solve these problems in the market. So we as members, distributors, we don't know about anything about that. We don't know anything about that. But the CEO and the CMT takes care of all the challenges and problems when they expand the business. In Freeway, the distributors trust the company. They protect Freeway. They understand how difficult it is to market in different countries. And Reway allows distributor to use the company as storage to support them. Sometimes stocks become expired products, so the company tries everything to solve problems. Even compliance would find ways to help and protect their distributors. So, do you want to be successful? Do you want to have breakthroughs in your life? So, give Reway a chance. Try Reway. There are already a lot of people from different educational background who become successful and change their life in Reway. So in Reway, it's not only money that you earn. It is not that you not only that you have a healthy family, you protect your money from and save your money from medication and hospitalization, you also gain life values. That's why Reway stand up to today because of our unique culture. We have these six core values that everyone who can embrace the culture of Reway will surely become successful in Reway. So, in many be complicated. It's so complicated. Reway is a company that is very hard to copy. Other direct selling companies cannot simply imitate the product, the marketing plan, or platforms. In today's LTS, the cost per head is 250 or 3,000 pesos at 10,000 people. This was in Bangkok.